Good morning, this is Ian Coleman from PIA First. It's Wednesday the 2nd of May. Today we're going to be looking at euro dollar. We're going to be looking at taking a sell trade in the major currency pair. But with the Fed interest rate decision tonight and also the monetary policy statement, we're briefly going to look at the dollar index first. Now we're at quite a critical point on the daily chart. This area here is a Fibonacci confluence area. So we've got a 5-wave drive to the downside, and then we've seen a pullback to the 61.8% extension level at 92.49. Now this can also be seen as a third wave extension to the 161.8% extension level at 92.54. So there's ample scope for a move to the downside, what we believe will be a corrective manner, possibly to this reverse trend line support, which comes in around about 92, the figure. And in fact, if we look to the weekly chart, the medium-term focus is still for a drive higher, and we believe that we're going to be really looking and focusing on 96.08 over the medium term. So reflecting that bias back onto euro dollar, we should be looking at selling into rallies. So quickly breaking down the time frames. Monthly chart, we've reversed at the 38.2% pullback level of 125.22. Weekly chart, this is our most important chart for our analytical forecast. We've got a 161.8% extension level here at 118.97, and that's from the 125.57, 121.49 move. We've got our bespoke support just sat inside there at 119.14, so that's going to be our medium-term focus. Our bespoke resistance is located at 120.95. And that's where we're going to be looking at selling into any potential rallies in euro dollar today. So our call today is to sell euro dollar at 120.90. The target is 119.20, which is just sat inside that bespoke support, and the stop loss on this medium term sell trade is 121.60.